Hey guys, so welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a beauty room tour. I put up a poll on my community tab, so if you guys haven't checked that out, I do have a community tab here on YouTube where I can ask you guys questions and then post pictures of what my videos are going to be for the next couple of days. And I believe it was yesterday, today is Thursday, I posted a questionnaire asking if you guys wanted to see a beauty room tour. So here it is. So before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys over so you guys can see the door. All right, so this is the entrance to the beauty room. So our room's like right next to the beauty room. So once you open up this door, we have my room, and don't mind that light, I just need it for extra lighting in here. It is pretty gloomy here in California, so I had to use extra lights. So once you walk in, you'll see this. I'll pan over so you guys can see. And I will try to stay as, that's me, as still as I can. In my videos, this is what you usually see. My ring light is usually right here in the middle, so let me place that for you guys so you can see. So it's usually placed right here, and then I prop my phone onto here, and then have this area as my background. Here's my filming desk. This actually is originally supposed to be an entryway table, but when I got it for our home, I didn't notice how small it is for the entryway, so later on I ended up getting a bigger one, so this one ended up being my filming desk. So I have my brushes, my brush cleaner, some Bioderma, my headband, also obviously some chapstick. And then I have my jewelry holder right there, which, by the way, if you guys have any suggestions of how I could organize my jewelry better, let me know in the comment section below. I'm having a hard time, it keeps growing. And then that's my mirror, the chair I film on and also get ready in. This chair I got at TJ Maxx. So usually I switch it when I'm doing my makeup for work. I usually put that chair here and turn on my vanity and play music while I'm getting ready. And then this pillow is a Bad Bunny pillow my fiance got for me. I love Bad Bunny. Usually what I'm bumping when I'm cleaning the beauty room or the house. And the curtains, I got this from my old room back in my parents' house. I just brought them here. I do wish it touches the floor, but it's okay. I might just change them out later. And if you look over here, I do collect pops. And I am a big Sailor Moon fan, so I have my Sailor Moon Funko Pops here. And then Selena Funko Pops up there. And I did get this at TJ Maxx as well. Obviously my vanity, so if you guys haven't seen my vanity tour or my organizing my vanity with me, I will leave that video linked up over in this corner and that corner so you guys can check that out. But yeah, you guys seen this. And on top of my vanity, I do have some butterflies. So I had this custom made for me. One of my friends does butterflies and she made it. So I don't know, I had to have it on top of my vanity or above it. I love butterflies, they're my favorite. And over in this corner, I do have this little IKEA dupe. This shelf I got from Michaels, and at first I wanted to use it for storage, but the drawers are too tiny. They're not tall enough, so instead I just, you know, have lashes in here and the stuff below that, or like my fiance's stuff. And then this is where I hold all my sunnies. I do have a couple of them in my car, so that's why it's not, you know, fully stocked up in there. And then that's me and my baby boy when he was a puppy. Fiance, my puppy, me. And then on this corner I just have like miscellaneous like headbands, silver earrings, stuff that I really don't wear as much, butterflies, and a Columbia thing. I've had this for years. Also, if you guys are curious, I did order my lights off of Amazon. They both, it came in this pack right here. And then I also ordered this off Amazon as well. I love this mic, even though I don't have it on right now. I just decided to use my camera mic. Ring light I got from Best Buy. And then over here, so this is the door behind me. If you turn right, you'll see I have more Sailor Moon stuff. I have my ColourPop collection right here, which I haven't touched. They're more like a collector's item for me. And then over here, I have my favorite perfumes, Ariana Grande Rem and Dolce & Gabbana, the only one. This smells amazing. This is super sweet. And I have this cactus I got from TJ Maxx. It says looking sharp. And then my little mini ears from Disneyland. Anytime I go to Disneyland, I pick one of those. And then it says, don't wait until tomorrow to be extraordinary today. I think I got this either at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. And then we have an extra closet there, which is a mess. I'm not gonna show you that. Over here, we have my shelf. So originally this was holding other stuff, but then we just decided to use it as our sneaker holder or storage area. So my fiance loves Pokemon, so that's the stuff right there. And then our droid from Disneyland that we got. And then our printer, and then of course another Sailor Moon figurine. And then another TJ Maxx, what are these called? Hangers? Displays? I don't remember, so sorry guys. So we have the Mandalorian, I love Star Wars, and then Darth Vader, and then we have Batman and his Pokemon stuff, and then he got me that for Valentine's Day. Someone wants to say hi. He's peeking through the door. Come here, Brody. Say hi. Say hi to my friends. Oh, you're a good boy. He is 1 year old. He's a German Shepherd Husky mix, and he is such a great dog. I legit feel like sometimes he's a human. So back to this little area, we have our shoes. We have matching Jordans together. So those are mine, those are his, and then I have another pair down here. Those two are mine, and then more pops on the bottom. So here's like an overview of my room. Not really much to look at. I know some of you guys wanted to see it. I do need to do some remodeling or just reorganizing. I did want to add some IKEA lock shelves on the sides. I thought that would be really cute. And then maybe add some more storage area right here. Still haven't decided. We do plan on moving. I don't know when. So we're just looking at houses, just seeing which ones we like. Not everything's set in stone. So that's why I haven't really organized this room to perfection yet, because I feel like, why should I do it if I'm gonna move soon? I don't know. But yeah, sorry this video is short. There's not really much I can show you guys, but if you guys have any questions about any of the stuff that I have, just ask me in the comment section. You know, I always reply back to you guys. So yeah, and that completes this video. And if you guys are new here, please go ahead and give me a like, comment below, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.